children. Let's move on to the next module, that is module 6 in your workbook. The first part is animal sounds. Okay, exercise 2.1, animal sounds. Complete the names of the sounds that these animals make. Okay, what is this? This is a dog. So what does a dog do? It barks. B-A-R-K, bark. Okay. Now, what is this? This is a duck. So what sound does it make? Quack. Q-U-A-C-K. Quack, quack, quack. Okay, that's a sound made by the duck. What is a cat? Okay, this is a cat. So meow. It says meow. What is this? This is a lion. So lion, roar. Okay, what does a lion do? It roars. Then what is this? A snake. What's the sound made by the snake? Hiss. And then the cow says moo. Okay, children, let's move on to the next part, that is animal movements. Different animals move in different ways. The movements of these animals have different names too. Okay, the monkeys climb. Okay, it climbs trees and rocks and everything. The lions prowl. The bears lumber. Snakes slither. Elephants amble. Ducks waddle. Okay, that is how they move. The movement is called, has different names. Okay, for monkeys, we don't say they walk. Okay, they climb. Lions prowl. Bears lumber. Snakes slither. Elephants amble. Ducks waddle. Okay, so these are the different movements made by these animals. Okay, now we'll do one exercise based on their movements. The frog, the first one. What does a frog do? It hops. Okay, hop like a frog. Then the tiger. What does a tiger do? It prowls. The monkey, we saw it already. It climbs. Okay, it climbs. Then the bird. What does the bird do? It flies. Then what is this, children? This is a fish. So what does a fish do? Does it walk or run? No, it swims. Then this is a horse. Okay. So what does a horse do? It gallops. Okay. So the frog hops, the tiger prowls, the monkey climbs, the bird, what does it do? The bird flies, the fish swims, and the horse gallops. Okay, so these are the different kinds of movements made by these animals. I hope you all have understood this, children. Thank you for watching the video. Thank you.